everyone. Welcome to Yarn Wall Voyage number 6. And if you are new to my channel, my name is Cynthia and this is my Joyful Creations space. So welcome to the Joyful Creations family. And if you are a returning subscriber, then hello, how are you? And I'm glad to have you back. And today we are going to look at the baby coordinates, BERNAT Baby Coordinate yarn. And I have quite a bit of it. And I would show you on the wall, but it is kind of behind me. I don't know if you can see it here. And I've got a whole nother little shelf unit with that BERNAT baby yarn. So we're going to pull all that baby BERNAT coordinate yarn off the wall and we're going to take a look at it. So if you'll give me just a minute, I'll be right back with you. So here is the BERNAT coordinates in white. All of this is the BERNAT coordinate, baby coordinate in white. I have a total of 17 full skeins and one skein that I've already used some of. In fact, I used it to make the border for the corner to corner blanket that we just finished on our Wednesday on the Hook series a couple weeks back. So why do I have so much of this baby coordinates from BERNAT? And it is because Michael's had an amazing sale and I purchased this yarn on June 12th of 2020, so not too long ago, and it's literally in the colorway white. But if you'll look at what the prices show, this yarn was normally $5.29 a skein, and your girl here got these for $1.48. I mean, that's a huge sale. Like, I almost got these for next to nothing, and I have fallen in love with this yarn. It is a light 3, and it is 71.2% acrylic, 25.6% rayon, and 3.2% nylon. I hope you can see that. Let me see if I can focus in here. There you go, for you to see that. They are 5-ounce skeins, 140 grams, and that's approximately 457 yards. And so, yeah, I mean, that was a huge, huge sale. And this is what it looks like individually. It's got like this little silver metallic running through it. It is really, really pretty. All right, so let me put myself back into focus here. All right, so if you'll give me just a minute, I will bring over the blues. So I am here with all of the blues and then even some special yarn. So let's just look at the special yarn really quick. This is Lion Brand Go for Fox, and oh my gosh, it is really soft. It is as soft and fluffy and furry as it feels. This is what the skeins look like. And this is a 3.5 ounce, 100 grams, approximately 65 yards. And this is, let's see, well, I was trying to see what weight they classified this as. Oh, there it is. It is a super bulky 6. Let me focus in here for you so you can see that right there. And I'm going to keep flipping it, and you can see that it is 100% polyester. It's in a very pretty blue. That colorway is called Blue Bengal, or Bangle. It's probably Bangle. My bad. There we go. And I got this from Walmart for $4.98. I am not sure why I didn't write the date on it though, because I bought this just recently. And let me show you, it has like, this is the underneath side of it. It has, whoops. It has like this little material running along the bottom side of it. But I've never worked with anything like this, and I thought how pretty that would be as a border on a baby blanket. And they only had it in blue, so I got 2 skeins of it in case I was having a grandson. I could make a boy blanket. However, even though I'm having a granddaughter, this to me would still be really pretty around like a solid pink baby blanket or even a yellow, and still be kind of girly and feminine, I think. But I'm kind of anxious and curious to work with it. And honestly, wouldn't that be cool even to make a teddy bear out of? So I'm hoping I can find more of this yarn. But, you know, of course, everything I work on I share with you. So I'll definitely let you know how it works up. It's so soft. I could just... But anyway, I thought that would be fun to put a cute little border. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of these Baby BERNAT Coordinates yarn. They are in the colorway soft blue. And as you can see, I did not get as good of a deal on these as I did on the whites. Now the whites I got from Michael's. They were $5.29 normally for those, and I got them for $1.48. And that was in June. That was June 12th. These I got on May 28th of this year. And look at the original price on these. The original price on these was $5.88. So I guess in June they marked them down because now their normal price is $5.29. And they had these on sale for $2.97, where the other ones were $1.48. But anyway, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of those. And then these are not blue, but they're still kind of in the blue family. I got them the same day I got these blue ones from Michael's on May 28th of this year. $5.88 normal price, $2.97. And this colorway is called Funny Prints. And just like with the blues and the whites, whoops, it is a light 3, and it is the same makeup. 71.2% acrylic, 25.6 rayon, and 3.2% nylon, 120 grams, 4.25 ounces, and approximately 358 yards. But I thought that was really pretty. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. And if I remember correctly, the day that I got these, I got all the blue and all of the funny prints that they had left that day. They did not even have white on the shelf, but they did have pink. So if you will go grab something to drink or run to the restroom, do whatever you need to do, pause your video. Actually, you won't have to pause your video. I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to go get the pinks. And so here are our pinks. So I'm going to start with this pink here. This is a skein that I have already used some of, but I have 1, 2, 3, 4 of these skeins. This is in the colorway Pink Parade. See if I can get that to focus in here. There we go. And I got these from Michael's in April of this year. They were normally $5.29 and I got them for $2.97. And it's the same, the light 3 and the 4.25 ounces, 120 grams, approximately 392 yards. And it is acrylic, nylon, and rayon, just like the other ones. And then in the pinks, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I got these on June 12th of this year. And I got them from Michael's. And I also, they were normally, let's see if I can focus in here, $5.29. And I got it for $1.48. There we go. And it is in the colorway Baby Pink. So this one has like some lavender in it, light purple, and then the solid pink. Well, that is all the BERNAT Baby Coordinate yarn that I have. And so I hope you have enjoyed this video. And I look forward to next week as we continue to go through more of the baby yarn that I have. So have a great week. Be joyful. Stay crafty in your own way and make your own joyful creations. Bye, guys.